Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure you're signed in as an administrator. That allows changes to system apps. Next, close the target app and save files so nothing is lost. Open Settings, then go to Apps and Installed Apps. Once there, you can search by name. If you prefer Control Panel, open Programs and Features. These steps set the stage so the uninstall command actually affects the correct application and avoids locked file errors. You select the app and click Uninstall, then follow the on-screen prompts. This removes the main program and its registered components. If the program offers its own uninstaller, use that because it cleans custom files and registry entries. For built-in Microsoft apps, open an elevated PowerShell and run Remove Apps package for that package. This targets modern app containers. Once done, make sure prompts complete successfully and note any messages about pending restarts. After the uninstall, restart your PC to clear locked files and complete service changes. This ensures the app can no longer run. Then, check program files and app data for leftover folders and delete if safe, and only edit registry keys if you know what you're doing. If the uninstall fails, run Windows Troubleshooter or reinstall the app, then uninstall again. Make sure to run uninstall as administrator, because permission issues are a common.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.